Good day, gentlemen. Happy Mother's Day to all the ladies looking at my channel. Today, it's the backhoe time. I'm gonna dig all around the perimeter of the garden, the 13 or 14 holes required to install my cedar post cedar. Anyway, so that will be the video today. I'm not gonna make any environmental or political statement about the current weather situation we've been having this spring again, because they ain't gonna shine too high in my heart right now, because right now it's freezing temperature, it's gusty wind to 40 kilometers like yesterday, and I'm suited like in winter time. So oh well, that great environment topic. All right, so keep up the good works, happy Mother Days, and enjoy the video, guys and ladies, and happy Mother Day again. Cheers. Guys, gentlemen, we're not in the Canadian Shield here in this region, but we sure have our share of rocks. It's amazing. Alright, gentlemen, so this is a sky view, not from a drone, but from the top of my tractor. So I have, this is the corner, the middle holes, there you have it. And the what? And the two there, that's where the main entry will be. Okay. So, just do another point of view. So I'm gonna, this afternoon I'm gonna put the post all in the hole, and I made another video. Right now it's almost 12 o'clock. I want to publish that video early because it's the Happy Mother's Day. So let's see in front of the sun this time. Alright, gentlemen, ladies, Happy Mother's Day, and take care of yourself. Thank you for all the encouragement about jump videos and Old Nut Farm from for David. Alright, and take care of yourself. Cheers.